Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix you don't have access error on EA application. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your file explorer and go to local disk C and search for where you've installed your application. So for me, it's going to be on program files, electronics, EA desktop, and this is where my launcher is. Simply on EA launcher, right click properties and go to security, and this is where you want to click on edit and allow full control. Normally it's not going to have full control. Allow full control on all application packages, system administrator and user, and click on apply, click on OK, and on compatibility go to run this program as an administrator and make sure this is always on a check mark and click on OK. Now once you've done that, your problem should be fixed. However, if it is still not fixed, what you want to do is simply restart your PC and uninstall and reinstall your program, and do this one more time. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.